What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream where we're working on Project Hero, an action-adventure game we're developing from scratch using Unreal Engine 4, C++, blueprints, and the gameplay ability system. So the last episode we were working on our character preview. Hopefully the stream's not going to be too choppy right now. I'll be very upset if it was. So this is what we had from last time. So I think it's G or J? Yeah, J. And we gotta put our character into full screen. We're gonna have to fix that UI part too at some point. Okay, so the stream is being choppy. What the fuck? That's upsetting. Okay, so there's a couple things I want to fix. First, I want to fix the character preview being affected by our light. We kind of want it to be unaffected by that. So I'm curious what the best way to do it is, because it is in this cube here. We streamed this level from this other level here. So we have this light. So we might have to, like, I don't know. I know we can, like, do like a lighting channel or something. Let me see. UE4 prevent actors inside BSP to receive light. Not sure. Like, we might have to do like straight up lighting channel. Maybe channel. So we'll do that, and then we'll go into our preview actor. And I guess all these skeletal meshes through channel. So we kind of have that. Does the box brush have a channel? No. And let's just build everything and we'll see what happens. And the reason why we're doing this is because I just want the lighting of the preview actor to be I want it to be consistent no matter what time of day it is, no matter like the weather or anything. We kind of want to have just universal preview of the character, at least for now. Okay. All right, so lighting finished. So let's save. Let's go back into our hero test map. Let's look in here. And let's build lighting here as well. Just to see if that's generally a problem. Okay, receipts of pre-channel cause, whatever. All right, so whatever, we can leave that alone. That doesn't matter currently. Okay, so we're at 75% for lighting. Okay. All right, let's look at our preview. All right, so he is consistent now. That's good. So I like that. Again, my stream is being choppy. I don't understand why. That's annoying. Okay, but we got that going, so that's good. Next thing I want to do is let's go to our UI. And we should probably anchor him correctly. So do something like that. All right, so he gets squished. Can I wrap this with like a scale? Oops. All right, so that broke. Do I have to do like size to content or something? Okay, still broken. Cool. Let me just do something like that. Still kind of smushes. Hola! How you doing, Jampoon Thong? Solid name. Is there a way to preview? Maybe I shouldn't do the scale box in there. But instead... Alright, so let's just do 512, like 512 or something. For now, again, let's... This looks to be too small, but we'll see. Yeah, definitely too small. 1024. It's probably better. Yeah. Like I like that size. Maybe a little smaller. Like 768 or something. We can always maybe like zoom in. No, my stream is laggy. Like for some reason Streamlabs is being kind of annoying. It's like, you know, losing quality and dipping for some reason. I think that's decent. Yeah. Yeah, sorry for the stream quality. I don't know, it's just dipping in and out. I don't know why. It's kind of shitty. It's upsetting. But I guess that's how it is. So just bear with me, I guess. All right. Let's do, I don't know, 900. 900 I think should be a good size. But I gotta also figure out how to like make it scale correctly. Yeah, that's decent enough. Let's see. I always forget. So UE4 scale UI based on window size, maybe? All right, so there's documentation. That's always solid. Nope, not what I want. All right, we're gonna just have to fuck around for a bit and find out. Excuse me. Like, I'm curious if I have to do it within the preview UI. Here we go. Like, I wonder if this will affect what I see in the other menu. No. Okay, can I wrap this with a scaler? Or scale box, I should say. Okay. Now, can I do something like this? But it doesn't really scale. Can I, like, do something like this? There we go. Boom! We got scaling. Whoop, whoop. All right. So I should definitely do. So let me reset the anchor, but let me do size-wise. Definitely gonna be 1080. So we can do that. Position X. Sorry, 1920 by 10. Oh, what's what is this? Like 1,000? No, 0. Let's anchor it on this side real quick. 0 like that. Alignment 1 like that. Just so it matches up there like that perfectly. I wonder if that will still work. All right, we definitely want it to still scale, so we'll have to. So like that. All right, so that definitely scaled it too incorrectly. There we go. Now, good. We open it, and it's better. Ugh, the stream, this quality is so garbage. All right, but we know it's scaling and it's working that way, so that's good. So let me just fix the weather changing so quickly. So there we go. And let me just add also a toggle for the player controller. We just do like a flip-flop for right now. Okay, we'll do inventory main. Z order, that's fine. I also should make sure that I'm like consistent with my Z orders and stuff, so I track that properly. And then we're just gonna do is valid. And then we'll do what? Remove widget? Remove from parent. So now we can bring it in and out. So we're good. So we have our preview. Now I also want to look at my scene capture 2D. I'm curious as to, so I was talking to my friend Christoph, and like we should be able to make the render target like as much as we want or as big as we want. But when we do, it just chugs like on FPS. Like it's very noticeable. So we still have 60 FPS. Honestly, the stream is being laggy and dumb. But if we put this back to 2048, you know, we'll have consistently high FPS. So that I don't understand. Excuse me. Alright, do I have to change texture groups or anything? I doubt it. Now I wonder, can I like preview like post-processing effects? Probably not. I don't even think that matters. So I guess let's what I believe, yeah, enter will change who I look like, but we'll notice that this doesn't match anymore. So we'll want to fix that, but I think in order to fix that effectively, we need to probably convert things to code. So let's start with the preview actor. So new C++ class, actor, character creator, I guess, and then we'll make a new folder. Character preview actor. Hero. Come on. Hero underscore character preview. Music stopped. Or is it just like so quiet? There we go. There we go. So add that. It's gonna fail to compile, which is always the case. So I need to probably have to get all actors of a class, because even if I get like a reference to it, like I don't think that'll work unless I literally have to like, I could also spawn the actor each time, but I feel like spawning it just once is fine. So that failed, which is what we were expecting. Let's save everything. Let me open the editor manually, just so we have a reference to our logic. So we have our character preview. Maybe I can include the light here. Nah. All right, so I'm gonna have this off to the side, and we'll write and code together. Can I refresh this? Because I know I don't have this enum shit, obviously. All right, whatever. All right, so we're gonna need a couple of U properties, so we can probably copy some of the stuff that we have in our character, because a lot of them are gonna match. So it's under private. Okay. Cool. And then we need a spring arm. So I believe our default character has a spring arm. So we'll give it its own category, as well as a scene component 2D, or scene capture component. So we're gonna need to copy this U property. So probably class U scene capture component 2D. Okay, we'll call it scene capture. Add a comment. The scene capture that displays the render target for the preview character. Okay, so I believe that's all the components that we really need. Maybe probably like a scene component, like a default scene component. Class U scene component. Scene component. Root scene component. We'll do something like that. Then we'll have to do a similar setup to our character. Yeah, we'll have to fix these includes. There we go. We'll also have to include skeletal mesh component. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to include the head component. So we'll just copy that. Call it head. Do head equals create default sub object component. Use skeletal mesh component. Text head. And then Yeah, we're gonna have to start setting up attachments. So let's do, what is it? Root scene component equals create default subobject. I'm gonna have to probably also include scene component, which I think I have in here, right? All right, I guess not. So components. And there we go. Probably also the scene capture one. Okay. So use scene component. And we'll call this root scene component. And then we'll say root component equals that. And then, oh yeah, we have a spring arm, right? So spring arm equals so is this also components spring arm? No. All right, we gotta look this one up. Oops. E4 spring arm component. There we go. Center game framework. Okay, cool. Use spring arm component. Spring arm. Then we'll do spring arm. Setup attachment. Parent is going to be root component. Socket, we'll explicitly say none. All right, so that should be okay. And then we gotta create our scene component. So I believe it's called scene. What, I forget what I named it. Scene capture. Equals create default subobject. Use scene component to D. Text. Scene capture. And then scene capture. Set up attachment. It's gonna be spring arm. And text will explicitly say none. All right, so we got those set up. Now the rest are connected to root components, so we should be able to just replace. Can I do get root? So head, set up attachment. Oh yeah, this is gonna be this is gonna be tricky. Not really. The only head is gonna be attached to the root component, the rest are gonna be attached to the head. So that should be enough. Well, we also have other stuff in our construction script. So now we gotta do Scene capture, show only actor components. And what does this need? Can I pass in this? That should be enough. And then we also have the set master component. So yes, it's head set master component. Can I do multiple at one time like this? No. All right, so we're doing this wrong anyway. So we gotta do upper body, set master component, head, true. And we just got, whoops, we gotta do this. One, two, three, four, five. So lower body. Feet. Hands. Shoulders. All right, that should literally be everything we need to do in our component. I don't think we need to be able to tick. We'll leave it alone for now. Who knows? Maybe we'll fuck it up. So let's see if this compiles. Cool. All right. So I'm going to close the other instance of our editor. Now we're going to create a new actor. So we're basically just going to create a copy. So boom. So now we're going to take a reference to our old one. Again, that's going to be on my other side. So let's copy whatever modified properties there are. So arm length is 200. Location is updated. Rotation is also updated. All right. Scene capture also has some modified parts to it. That's kind of weird. Okay. Well, we don't want to do that. We don't want to modify. We want to change the spring arm. So we'll do minus 60, or I guess 60. And minus 10. We'll see. And then what else modified? We have the render target, right? Okay. So now we gotta update these. So we gotta put in our animation blueprint. Okay, first I need to put in the head, so sk male form underscore head. All right, there's 2 of them, so that's fun. Just to make sure I'm doing the right one. So boom, there's the head. Upper body. Animation blueprint. Lower body. The animation blueprint. I believe hair will be empty. Yes, hair is empty. Shoulders empty. Back empty. Earrings empty. Primary weapon is empty. Hands. Oh yeah, we forgot to do the shield and stuff. All right, so that was hands, and then we'll do feet. And then the animation. Okay. Now, the head is rotated and positioned in a way. So we'll copy those. Okay. So that looks about the same. So now, let's go into our levels. Let's replace you. And okay, yeah, we're gonna have to fix the channel. Okay, let's just be safe and build again. Okay. There we go. Now, if I play, and yeah, there we go. So the size is confusing me a bit, but we'll fix that soon. Oh yeah, I know why. We forgot to look at these. Modify properties, change the field of view to 45. There we go. So now we gotta update our function. So let's just quickly copy and paste this function. So it's called update character. Like obviously we're gonna recreate this in C++. Okay. Okay. So now, there we go. So we're kind of back on square one, but now most of it is handled in code. So now we're gonna have to create this function. So we'll kind of just do what we did before. Open a new instance of the editor so we have our reference. Now, I'm wondering how to best recreate this function. Like, I want to have, I'll probably need to, all right, let's do something like this. New C++ class, show class, I think there's like an enum class. Yeah, user defined enum. I don't think we need a new folder for that. We could just put that here. We'll do hero underscore character review enum. Don't want a new folder. Free class.
Hello there.
Oh god, that scared me. Hey Sandra. How's it going? How's that sweet life of Zach and Cody? Okay, no worries on the error. Oh wait, I shouldn't have deleted that. All right, so we have here the enum. Now, if I remember correctly, let's do a couple things. Let's just work in enum for now. So first we gotta probably fix the include. Next, I believe it's like this: enum blueprint type, or is it like enum? I don't know the syntax. I gotta reopen it my other system. What Sisyphus? What's Sisyphus? So you enum. Duh. I'm doing okay. Work was pretty good today. Got a lot done. Kind of exhausting. So we're gonna call this character preview parts. And then we'll do head. Yeah, I think it has to be head equals 0. And then new beta, yeah. Display name. Head. Oh, that's the guy? I know what you mean now. So work got you that bad, huh? Yeah, just so I remember how I set up that enum, let me open up an instance of this editor. And I also think I want to do like that. So many no head jokes every single time. Every time we're working with this character, it's gotta be no head. One of these days we're gonna get head, don't worry. So head, and then upper body equals 1. U meta. And let's do one more tab out just to make it all clean looking. So lower body, hair, shoulders, back, earrings, hands, and feet. So eventually we're at we might have to add weapons later. So lower body, hair, shoulders, back, earrings, hands and feet. Oh, okay, so I did one more than I needed. Whoopsie. I guess we could do this like max none. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, then this is lower body, hair, shoulders, back, earrings, hands, feet. Next none. I don't think I need to end with a comma, right? All right, so we got our enum. So now we can kind of, I want to make this robust where I want to be like, okay, so it's gonna take a parameter of like if we want to update everything. I guess it should just get an array, and you just make an array and you say, okay, these are the elements I want to do. I think the way I wrote it is probably good enough. So let's go into let's just see if this compiles first. Make sure we didn't mess anything up here. Okay, cool. Okay, so we're gonna cancel out of that. Now we gotta go into our character preview. So we probably have to include it in here. So hash include. I wonder if I could just do this like that. No, okay, so we'll just do. Can I just do a hero character preview? Also, this can't be last. All right, so definitely not. All right, so that's just bitching. So let's try this. Hash include hero. Why is IntelliSense not helping me? Now it's helping me. Okay. So we got that. So now we'll make a public function. U function we'll say for now. We'll make it blueprint callable. So it's gonna be void update preview character. It's gonna take a T array of E character preview parts, sections to update. Okay. So we could probably generate now our definitions. So first of all, I want to make sure that the array is not empty. So I guess I could just be like, if sections to update that num equals 0, turn. And then now we gotta basically copy what we're doing here. So first is a for each. Well, the whole thing is a for each loop. So for E character, I guess I could do auto. For auto section, I'll just do current section. Sections to update, so it should automatically, yeah, it's already doing that. So we're gonna say E, well, we already have a local variable that hold this. So do I have to do like a switch within this for each loop? I wonder if that's really the play here. I guess we can do a switch. So I guess case would be do I have to include? I shouldn't have to include it twice, honestly. But let's just see. Like that should be the syntax. I don't know why. Maybe I'm not doing the right syntax for the switch case. C++ switch case syntax. I always have to look it up. Yeah, so that's... Do I have to be like E? First let's do UE logs just to see. Do I have to do it? What is it like? UE num. I did it in the weather thing. I always suck with this syntax. So do I have to include anything with enums here? Timeline, color, float colors, data tables. No. So this is the syntax I'm looking for. So I guess I could just say f string I guess I could do an empty string up here. So f string current section as string. And we'll just say none to begin with. And then we could say what's this weather type? So next weather is the name of the type. So would it be E character? No, it would be current section. Okay. Let's just see if that compiles. Hey Geo on Twitch, how's it going? Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Oof. Do I have to do that? It's always something. All right, cool. So in theory now, that is exactly what I'm working on. Yeah. So we already made one in Blueprints, and I'm slowly just converting it now to C++. This is a function that we're working on to convert. So instead of calling that, what did I name that function? Update preview character, okay. Oh yeah, I got 2 instances of my editor as well. So yeah, let's exit out of one of them just to be safe. Update preview character, sections to update. So we'll first just make an array with head. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, I know it's, yeah, I think, yeah, you're from Sovereign Dev, so yeah, I know exactly what you guys are working on. So, cool that you're here. So in theory, if I press J, we got hello, but our function didn't get called correctly. Because we should get our preview name, so we're gonna have to debug. So let's try again. Oh, I'm stupid. It should be in our log. How do I resume again? So let's try this again and actually pay attention. Window, output log. Rather than hard-coding the skeleton mesh components, I create them dynamically and then store them in a map. Very cool. Since I know what parts I need, like I'm not going to make any kind of like extravagant dynamic objects or anything. I could just create what parts I know I'll need. No need to get too fancy. All right, so yes. We know it works because we got head, boys. Okay. Very cool. Yeah, a map makes sense. All right, so now we should oh fuck, I closed out both instances of our editor. Let me open this back up so we have our reference for our code. Or our blueprint, I should say. Oops. So now on this switch, what do we do? So we're gonna do head, set skeletal mesh. Now, oh yeah, we need a reference to our character. Probably the best way to do that is on begin play. So we could probably make a private thing. U property. Visible anywhere. I don't know. Can yeah, read only. Category. Player character. Probably don't really need this U property in this kind of way, but we're just gonna add it just so we can have this functional for now. So it's gonna be a class, a hero, player character, player character. I just want to make sure this, because it auto completed for player character. So do I have anything in there for that? So blueprint read only should not be used on private members. I guess it's because of this whole meta. Allow private access, so we'll just do that too. Fuck it, whatever. Okay. Oh. Forgot to even finish writing that statement. We'll just do a break for now. I don't know how I'm gonna try to go to the gym after this. I'm so tired, but I'm gonna do it. Gotta exercise. All right, so this compiled, so we can get rid of that. So yeah, on begin play. Now, is there like get player? Do I have to do U gameplay statics? Yeah, get player character. Now, it needs a world context, I think. Do I automatically get world? Yeah. What else does it need? Player index 0 should be fine. So I can say player character equals View gameplay statics. Get player character. Yes, I have to do cast a hero player character. Now, do I need to include this as well? Okay, we're kosher. And then we'll just say if player character equals no pointer turn. Guess we should also throw in some warnings about what's going on. So log temp warning. Empty e character preview parts array exiting. And I guess we could just copy this, change the name to say no valid player character found, exiting. Okay, we definitely don't need these strings anymore. Now let's get back to our reference here. So we'll say use skeletal mesh mesh to update. We could probably do this actually like this, where and we can just say mesh to update equals player character dot mesh well, that's not what I want. So mesh to update equals player character. So there's like upper body, right? Okay, so those, what I can tell, are not exposed correctly. Yeah. So I'll have to make public getters. Force inline. Use skeletal mesh component. So get head. Make the jokes now. Return. Okay, and I guess this could be const is what it's really kind of complaining about, right? Or does it have to be like const? Let me just make sure. Let's just compile that real quick, see what's gonna happen. Okay. Weird that it fails to compile if you have an unreferenced local variable. All right, so that's all well and good. So we could stop that from going. So let's go back to the character. We're just gonna do this a bunch of shit at times. So boom. So we're gonna do get upper body, return upper body. Okay, we'll do a bunch of, so get lower body, get hair, get shoulders, get back, get earrings, hands and feet. Okay, so this one, lower body, hair, shoulders, back, backle, earrings, hands, feet. Now, so we can no do this. So we're gonna say, I guess we're gonna say if player whoops. Oh fuck. If player character get head mesh to update equals player character get head get mesh skeletal mesh. I wonder if that'll work. Okay, no. What? What the fuck did I do? What the hell? Let's try it again, just to be sure. I don't think I changed anything. Maybe I did something on accident. Yeah, it's still a problem. Okay. Open in File Explorer. And let's look. So hero game, so engine, plugins, developers, wider link. Source, writer link, public, model, library, before library, then player state dot generated dot h. All right, I'm gonna check that one out. So that's all derived data cache. So this one. Okay, can I revert? And will that guarantee that it's not going to break? Or am I hashtag screwed? Because I could be hashtag screwed. Yeah, fuck. Okay, let's try to do a fix here. So binaries, intermediate, generate Visual Studio project files again. Let's open up a solution. We'll let the solution prep itself. Yeah, I'm not messing with Unreal Engine 5 until it's out of beta. I'm not going to deal with nonsense. I'll let everybody else beta test it, deal with the problems, and then once it's actually fully available, maybe we'll switch over to it. Should be relatively easy, what they were saying, switching projects from Unreal Engine 4 to Unreal Engine 5. But I think they also recommended that you first go to like the latest version of Unreal Engine 4 and then push to Unreal Engine 5, but maybe I'm misremembering. Still fucking giving me this error. What the hell? I didn't change anything. See, that's upsetting. When stuff like this happens, this gets me so mad. Yeah, this is not gonna help. Ooh. So it looks like we're screwed for now. Maybe that's the reason why this thing is. So Writer automatically includes shit. Because I accidentally typed in something with fucking JetBrains. And it just automatically included a file. So that's probably the reason why. I knew it had to do something when I accidentally typed that stuff. I just didn't know. Boom! Success! Big brain time. We got it. Okay. So now, in theory, the head should update. Okay, no. We forgot to do something. Well, we set the skeletal mesh. Oh, we forgot to actually set this. Oh my god. Okay. So head. Set skeletal mesh. Mesh to update. And then true. And then we also gotta do set material. But first, let's see if we get the head. Because once we have the logic for the head, we could just go through the rest. And we should be okay. Okay, so that still didn't work. So no valid player character found. Let's see. Play. All right, so that's returning null. I thought that would be the best way to get the player character, so let me just, I guess, UE4, C++, easiest method of getting player character. Like, I don't want to do get all actors of class. I should go through the player character, get the control pawn, then cast. Well, this is going through a preview actor, so I just need to... Let's see. Let me just do uWorld. World equals get world. So if world, we'll do some log temps real quick. Valid world. Else. Not valid world. Let's just do one thing at a time. Because get player character should be enough. If the, like, you know, if world is valid. But I feel like it would crash if get world return null. So let's take a look. So the world is valid. I see what's going on. I think it's because super is first. And that's what's calling the blueprint stuff. Like, I might as well just start calling everything in C++ anyway. But let's see if this is what it's doing what I think it's doing. All right, so everything's good. Yes. Okay, so that was the problem. It was the super. Okay. Makes sense. Let's just stop doing what we're doing here. Let's delete everything. Oh, wait, no. We gotta finish our function. Let's finish the head function, and then we should be able to just do the rest of it. So we just gotta set the material. So what is this type? I guess I could just do auto. So auto, current material, and then we're gonna do let's do uskeletal mesh component to update. And we'll say mesh component to update equals like that, and then we should be able to be like that. Does it have to be const? Yeah. And then can I do mesh component to update get materials? So what is this? Yeah, view material interface. Okay. We don't need that ending. We gotta just do that. And then we gotta do, so preview mesh part. This could be head, set material, and is it index first? So we can't do it this way. Hydrate, good call, good call. So I think we gotta do it the old-fashioned way. So for 832, I always forget. I always forget the syntax of shit. UE4 C++ for loop syntax. Yeah, okay, so for int I equals 0, I is less than mesh component to update dot get materials dot num I plus plus, and then I gotta do head set material I, and then that hurt my ears. Thanks for the follow, Lonely Fades. Welcome, thanks for following. Big oops. Big oops all around. Maybe I feel like this function is so bad. So U material interface materials. Yeah, we all know that sound. So we gotta say I don't know how nice that looks. Because then I gotta do it for all those different things. But, all right, let's just do... So upper body. Let's see. Let's see if we get the upper body now. Success! Okay. No, it broke. Somehow. Okay, so it's definitely the materials, I think, that broke it. Let me just confirm. What do I recommend, Unity or Unreal? It depends on the game you want to make. Both are very viable options. Both have AAA quality. Unity might be better for you for 2D games, honestly. Unreal is good for more realistic kind of games. Its foundation has, you know, a lot of shooter elements, but you also have a lot of pre-made project templates. I'm sure Unity does as well. Really depends on what you're comfortable with. You get, for free, you get Unreal Engine, the source code and everything. I think you have to subscribe to Unity to get access to the source code. So depending on how far deep you need to go, maybe that's something you would want. Unity uses different scripting languages like C#. There's plugins that you can have something like Blueprints, but Unreal Engine 4 Blueprints are very, very powerful. So depends on the game you want to make, depends on your skill level, and depends on exactly what you want to do. All right, so it wasn't the for loop. I know I forgot to update that. I think for Unity, I'm going to use Visual Script. Yeah, go for it. You know, I'm sure it's a viable plugin. Oh yeah, that's why. Event begin play. we'll just do update preview character. We'll call super on this just to be safe. That could screw us over, I don't know. Let's make an array. So we'll do both of those. All right, boom. All right, so I was good. Let's check again. With these, the for loops uncommented. And if they work, then it's pretty safe to say we could do the remaining. And then we'll see, we'll have to test some stuff after that. All right, still good. So now we can handle the remaining cases. So lower body, lower body, lower body, yeah, lower body, lower body, blah, blah, blah. All right, good. So after lower body, we'll do hair. All right, let's just handle copying all these. So hair, shoulders. What's up after shoulders? Back and earrings. Hands and feet. Okay. Now we can put those in. So lower body was properly updated. So now we just gotta do get hair. 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 Get hair. Whoop. Get hair. Get shoulders. 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 Back. Get back. 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 Get earrings. Get earrings. 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 Get hands. Get hands. 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 And feet. Ah. All right. Stop putting a breakpoint. I don't want a breakpoint. Let's just collapse these. I feel like that could be written better, this function, but for now, whatever. All right. So we have that. Let's see if it works. Okay, we compiled, so that's a good sign. Okay. Alright, so we fucked up nothing. Because we gotta add everything. Lower body, hair, shoulders, back, earrings, and hands and feet. Boom. Cool. So that's all kind of handled in code. So now let's delete all this shit. We don't need this one. We don't need this one. It's gonna make me force delete it. Okay, I'll do that. Save. It's fine. So now we can put this super back. We don't need that. Just to be safe, we'll do an if world check. And then we can call so update view character. So we could say T-array, character preview parts, character parts. Now, is there a way to like Uni4 C++ add multiple items to array at once? I think I can. C++ add multiple elements to array. I think I can literally do something like stuff like this. So head, upper body, lower body, character, preview parts, shoulders, back, so we did head, upper body, lower body, shoulders, back, hair, earrings, hands, and feet. Cannot convert L value of type. Do I have to do this? No. feel like that should be okay. I feel like I might be crazy. Unless I have to be like equals that? No. Um, UE4. Let's see. Okay, can I do something like this then? Character parts dot init. Okay. So tiering character parts. Okay, so that doesn't work. Can I say equals? Okay, so that doesn't work. Maybe I could do something like character parts dot set num. No. I don't know why this is so difficult. What am I doing? I'm doing something stupid, I'm sure. Okay, can I just say 10? Alt enter to apply. All right, this mouse needs to not be so sensitive. Like it's moving. All right, so that doesn't do anything. All right, so UE4 C++ make array. What can I say here? So I have to do it like that. Okay, does append let me do multiple? No. I'm definitely doing something in this stupid way. Can you use... all right, let me go back. Because I was trying to use the curly braces too. Whoops. So that works? Okay. Thank God. Let's see if that compiles. Like, I don't like I have to set the number, though. I wonder if I could take that out. Thanks for the assist. Let's see if it compiles, and we're good. All right. So this should still work, which it does. Perfect. Now, do I have to set the number? Yeah, fuck that. Try to avoid as for loops as often as possible. All right, now it's taking its time compiling. Why, I do not know. Sometimes Writer is garbage. It's like, it's not building right now. Even though, like, I'm telling it to. Yeah, sometimes I don't understand this kind of stuff. Let's reload it. But I kind of wanted to, I think the easiest thing to do, because like, if I wanted to make an array like that, it's kind of annoying to do that all the time. So I think what I want to do is do a bool update all, it's false, something like that. And then go in here and then say, let's update this as well. So bool I think I could just say that, right? And then I would say like if update all, we could say sections to update, and we could just copy this logic. So in theory, we could just say like an empty array. And then just say true. So now this should work. No. Oh, because we're doing an empty array. Empty array check. And update all equals false. We got screwed over by our own check. Classic mistake. So boom. Okay, now our final step is to get it to update as we switch our character like that, which should be really easy for us to do. Again, in theory. And I guess I can even shorten this to something like this. Right? No? I guess not. I guess I could shorten to it like that. So let's go into our hero character. Now, how does the UE4 C++ get all actors of class? We're gonna have to use this, I think. All right, so let's try to do that. So we have a function for changing our character. So we'll do it sloppy for right now. We should probably do this on possess, but we'll do it later. And let's add a to do. Move this to on possessed and create variable for preview character in .h. Okay. So we gotta do t sub class of a hero underscore character preview. I think it should automatically add that .h. Yes, it did. Sick. So we're gonna call it hero character preview. I'll do t-array a hero character preview, found character preview, and then you gameplay statics. Is that like find all? No, it's just get all. Get all actors of class, so we need world. Then we gotta do hero character preview dot static. Okay, so no, it's gotta be a hero character preview static class found character preview. So we actually don't need to do the T subclass of non-cons delta reference. No. Okay, I guess does it have to be a actor? Then we'll say a hero, player character preview, equals found character preview 0. What we gotta do? Oops. Cast a hero player character preview. If character preview let's just copy that. So I wonder if that will work. Moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, press J, hit enter. Okay. Close. We gotta also update the animation. But we got, kind of right. So I guess we'll add a to-do. We will need to update the animation for certain parts. Head, upper, lower, hands, and feet, I think. So we'll do that next time. So that's going to be it for tonight, everybody. Thank you again so much for watching. We're going to go ahead and raid Nova Villain. How I spell that? There we go. So thanks for watching, Sandra. Everybody for coming by. Lonely Fades, thanks for following. Thank you, Giohan, for coming by and for the assists. We'll probably maybe stream. We'll do a game. Maybe we'll do a book reading. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So let's go ahead and we'll raid. We'll see how many people are gonna join. As long as it's above 3, I'm happy. Okay. So thanks, guys. Have a good night and see you soon.